In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Intrepid key fob. This key fob was used between '98 and 2005, and inside we will find two CR2016 batteries. It's really easy to open this thing up and change the batteries yourself at home. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and of course two of those batteries. If you'd like to pick up the batteries online, I have left a link in the description to get them on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and click on that and then just follow along. If you look on the right side of the device here along this seam, you can see there is a slot, a little indentation there. Take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just twist gently until you feel it click, and you can see start to separate the two halves of the key fob. Just going to go in that opening, twisting, carefully twisting along the side until it comes apart very easily in your fingers. Now we have the two batteries, the two old batteries stacked on top of each other like that. You can use your flathead screwdriver or your fingernail, which I find easier. Just get under the first one and lift it up. Set that aside. Now this one's a little bit trickier. It sits down deep in there, so I push on one side, and again, flathead screwdriver or your fingernail, just as long as you can get under the battery, can lift it up and it will come right out like that. Here's our 2016 battery. Take your new one, make sure the positive side goes face up, click the first one into place. Battery number 2, positive side up, goes right on top. And with a click, we are almost done. Just gonna put this back together and make sure it is all closed up nicely, and we are all set and ready to go. If you found that video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs from any make or model, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos that we have here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.